Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Amrit. So we are with new session with a new topic, that is hot versus cold observable, or you can say multicast versus unicast, right? So uh, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that I keep creating like this kind of topics for you. So let's start with the new one. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, we have written like or a unicasting. Why cold observables are called the unicast observables? Because we know observables are lazy by nature. Why we called lazy by nature? Because the time we subscribe it, we fetch the providers or the producer values in the subscribed area, right? So observables are lazy in sense that they only execute values when something subscribes to it, right? For each subscriber, the observable starts a new execution, resulting in the fact that the data is not shared. Like suppose if I have like created one producer function of a, or you can say the observable function, then I two subscribers subscribing at the same time, it doesn't mean that they share the common values, right? uh, like if we are like creating a connection, right? Socket connection in our producer function observable function, whenever two subscribers subscribe it, so two separate instances or two separate streams will be created. So I will take an example of like math.random function. I simply create a producer function where I return the math.random. When two subscribers subscribe it, so the values may be differ for both of them. So that is why it is called unicasting. That is why it is called as a cold observable. So first I will cover this theoretical portion, then I will jump to the this practical portion. Now let's see what is hot or multicasting observable. Hot or multicasting observable are totally opposite, because the time the producer function create, the subscriber will get the values. In order to achieve this, what we have to do, like we have as you can see that the drawback of creating the socket connection under the producer function is that every time new connection is creating for or you can new stream is created for different subscriber. So we don't want that. We want to use like a common connection once it is created to be shared by all the subscribers. Similarly in the random function, we don't want that uh, that every subscriber will get a new random value of function. So it can be achieved with the help of like publish operator, reference count operator, share operator. So we have different kinds of these are also called as the multicast operators, right? So that's why it is called this behavior is called as multicasting. So let's jump to the practical part. So I created this method called run unicast or cold. I created one observable in which I just make the observer dot next mat dot random. I'm pushing this random value, and two subscribers are subscribing. So at the time they subscribe the values, we have to see, okay, what is the behavior of this. Let me run g sub minus oh, it is building up application. Okay, so component 3 is working. Well, simply copy this and submit. Start run. Okay, let's open the console. Click the console, submit the value. you can see two subscribers are subscribed. Not to show more clarity, I will first, this is second, right? As you can see in the first, when the first subscriber subscribe, the value is different to from the second one. So this is cold observable. Now we want that, we don't want the separate value, we want the common values to be shared. So for that, just we have to reverse the process. So for that, I'm taking like a small different example where you can just simply use uh, this function, similar function like rx observable dot interval, and I'm taking like 5 random values in 5 intervals. Sorry, in 1 second I'm using 5 values in the interval like 1 2 3 4 5. When this source of subscribe fire 2 times on 2 button clicks, suppose I have button 1, I created one submit button 1, and I have created another, these are button click 1, this is button click 2. The moment I just ng run or run multicast or hot, right? The moment I call this dot this in both the button clicks, you will see that the common values are shared. It doesn't matter which button you are pressing, either first or 2. You will see the output like this: 0 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 until the 5. You will see that when you click on both the buttons, you will see the output will be synchronized. If this method is running like with like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, the moment you press the button, suppose you have clicked the button and you have value 1 2 3 4, when the value is 4, you press this button, so it will start from this 4 5, right? And again it start with 1 2 3 4. So values will be in the sync with this button 1 and button 2. So guys, this is like an small concept of like hot and cold observable. So in nutshell, cold observable that are within the producer function, hot that are outside the producer function. Hot, in which we want to share the common value for all the subscribers, and in cold we want to use like different value for different subscribers. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope you like it. If you want to know more about observable and observers, I will add the video link on the I button as well as in the description. Thank you. Bye.